Hello, hi. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove duplicates from the data that we have in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, keep the backup of the data that you want to remove the duplicate from, because at times it may cause some issue or some potential data loss. So once you have taken the backup of the data that you had, and you want to now proceed with the removal of the duplicates. Now it would be an easy process. All you have to do, take care of a few things. First of all, you have to identify on what basis you want to identify the duplicate. Will that be just one column, or will that be multiple columns? For example, we can see we have a lot of gills and we have a lot of Morgans here in this column, and we want to remove the duplicate values in the wrap column, for example. So first of all, just select the table, the region of the table from where you want to remove the duplicates, and then go to the data section. There you will see this remove duplicates. So click on it, and you will be shown a lot of columns. And as we had asked earlier, on what basis you want to remove the duplicates. So for now we are just keeping one condition, which would be the column C. So all the cells which are unique will stay back, and all the non-unique wraps will be removed. So just one condition, and all the non-unique rows on basis of the wrap column will get removed. So click on OK, and you can see that 18 duplicate values were found and were removed. Only 8 now remains. So this was because we are keeping only the unique wraps. What if we want to keep the unique reps and region? So now the condition has changed. Now select the area, go to the remove duplicates again, but this time select two columns, B and C. So all the unique values, basis, region and rep will remain. So there can be multiple gills, but those gills will be from different regions. So click on OK, and now we can see that we have two gills. One is from central and one is from south. Likewise, we have one Smith from north and one Smith from central. So lesser number of rows were deleted in this case, because the condition was changed and was added one more constraint. Now if you want to add further more constraints, let's say 3 conditions, that okay, even if they are duplicate gills, those should be from different regions, and those would have sold different items. So select the table, go to remove duplicates, and now select 3 columns, B, C and D, and only 4 rows were removed and rest were kept. So let's understand what happened. So we have Gill from central who sold pencil. Then we have Gill who is from central, but he sold a pen. So the same person, but he sold different items in this case. So Gill from central again, but sold different items. And then Gill from south, but he sold a binder. And then again Gill from central, but he sold a binder. So now lesser number of rows were removed because there were 3 conditions. So this is how you can find more related data, and basis that you can remove the duplicates. So this is how you remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel by applying different constraints.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.